Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, or as it's commonly known, HIPAA, is a federal law that required the creation of national standards to protect sensitive patient information, or PHI, from being disclosed without the patient's consent or knowledge. HIPAA security compliance for healthcare organizations can be costly. We've seen the news about hackers stealing personal information. The administrative, physical security, and technical security requirements are in place to protect private health information from falling into the wrong hands. The government is serious about protecting PHI. Our RPM program provides a HIPAA-compliant portal that is customizable for each client and healthcare organization, with 24/7 technical support and security for all users. We keep our clients' PHI secure and make sure we stay HIPAA compliant at all times with regular internal audits.
The Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services oversees Medicare and Medicaid reimbursement, and CMS has set forth guidelines for RPM reimbursement. First, there must be monthly patient outreach, making sure the patient is following their care plan. Next, the provider has to review a plan of care and vital readings with the patient to make sure they are responding well to the medications and treatment. Finally, each patient contact has to be documented to stay Medicare compliant. Our RPM system captures all the vitals automatically. The device can be programmed to ask follow-up questions and record all the responses in the secure portal. We make sure every patient contact is documented, which keeps us compliant with CMS.
We can also provide 24/7 qualified nurse helpline for the patient, technical support that can integrate software for the providers, and ensure all documentation is available in the patient's charts. Our system has an easy patient setup and fully transparent billing for complete accountability. Our RPM will increase patient engagement and improve health outcomes.
Genesis RPM offers a system that has 24/7 emergency response service in case of a fall or medical emergency, along with 24/7 medication and treatment reminders. With one touch, reliable connect, vitals monitoring devices. Our system is easy to use and is not complicated at all to set up. In addition to the ease of the use and setup, we can give family members connectivity and notifications, as well as GPS location with our app. Here's the best part. The console is cellular connected for patient monitoring. There is no Wi-Fi or telephone connections required for the unit to work right out of the box.
We complete the billing for our clients with full transparency and accounting. This transparency allows for us to invoice you correctly. We only invoice on paid reimbursements from CMS per patient. You have no financial risk, only a chance to increase revenues and improve patient care. If you're in primary care, you may also want to add our chronic care management or behavioral health integration programs as a part of your practice.
Caring for the aging and chronically ill is placing a great strain on our healthcare system, as well as social programs designed to support these groups of people. It's estimated that the cost of hospital readmission was more than $26 billion in 2017, and it is expected to be more this year. We know reducing the burdens associated with these costs and improving access to healthcare improves patient outcomes. Genesis RPM is focused on improving patient outcome with greater access to primary care and lowering costs with better medication compliance and routing follow-ups with a provider. When we used to respond to medical emergencies in our community, we saw how a lack of access to health care and not taking medications properly made people worse, and we wanted to change it. Our company was started to make a difference, and we are Genesis RPM.